guys, it's Harvey from All Parts Pool and Spa. Today we're going to focus on installation and proper installation of a Hayward heat pump to heat your pool. And what it is a big compressor with Freon, similar to what heats and cools your house. Similarly, basically things, but it doesn't have heat strips. Say, argument's sake, your air handler in your house, if it gets cold enough outside, your heat pump can extract air, so your heat strips on your house heats up your house, so you're burning electric. So basically this heat pump right here shuts off and goes on to the frost mode. They're not capable of doing that. All right, what happens is air comes through here, hopefully warm air, all right, gets caught by these coils, gets caught, extracted by the Freon. The Freon heats up, makes it into a hot liquid, goes into the heat exchanger and turns to a vapor, and then it just a continuous cycle. So you got ambient air around here, say 80 degrees with 80% humidity, and then cold air shooting out of here, and warm air going, supplying heat for your pool. All right, how is it going to function? It needs to breathe, same as we need to breathe. All right, we can't be in a room, small room, for hours and hours because we're going to suffocate. We're going to run out of oxygen. Same with a heat pump. It needs clearances. It needs minimum 2 feet between any wall, all completely around it. 2 feet. That's minimum area. That's minimum. And when I'm talking minimum, all right, say you needed to pay your mortgage and you needed $298. Well, for the week you got $298. Can you buy food? No, you can pay the rent. So that is minimum. You can't buy anything else. So that the 2 feet is minimum. Like to see more. Can't be over overhang less than 7 feet. All right, because what happens? The cold air shoots up. If it hits anything, it's going to cycle back down. I don't care how warm it is. It'll cycle back down, and it's going to suck its own air, and it's a complete recovery system. So instead of being 80 degrees and everything, you can see my mouse, it's turning it into 50-degree air. Okay, it's not going to work. Heat pump is based on pool water being 80 degrees, humidity being 80 degrees, and the ambient air temperature 80 degrees, and that's usually what they'll give you. How many BTUs? Roughly 124, 136,000 BTUs per hour. They like to see sun. The more sun, the better, and the more humidity, the better. If you enclose this room here, because you want to protect it from the weather, all you're doing is making this room a big deep freezer. You miles cut your meat and everything else like that and freeze it in your room. Okay, it's going to make that room 20 to 30 degrees cold. I don't care how cold, warm it is outside, it's going to blow cold. It's going to freeze up. It's not going to work. It's going to run. It's going to go into frost cycle. You're not going to be happy. So on a heat pump, you want it to see the most sun and the most humidity there is. You want to give it free air from all the way around and no overhang. The reason why this overhang is bad right here, say we get rainwater, and this was extended over just a little bit more. The cold air would be trapped, but the worst part is we get rain runoff dumping right in that fan, burning and twisting that fan blade up, making our fan noisy and everything else because we misinstalled it. All right, this is installation of a Hayward heat pump, part 1. There'll be many others because I'm running out of time. I am Harvey, allparts@gmail.com. Email me your questions and hopefully I can answer them on heat pumps. Clearances are a big thing. go to the owner's manual and take their recommendations. Don't do anything custom. All right, guys. Bye.